Here's how to fix your TikTok videos not eligible for the For You feed. Now, if you're on TikTok and you're creating great videos and posting those, but you're getting a little flag that says basically they're not eligible for the For You feed, or just automatically every single video is being denied, I'll walk you through the entire process to get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that I want to point out is there are age requirements to be eligible to post videos on the For You feed. It says here right on TikTok's website, it says, we don't allow content on account for teens under 16 to be recommended in the For You feed or the people they don't know. So keep in mind, if on TikTok you are under 16 and it knows that you're under 16, basically you can't post any videos on the For You feed. Once you turn 16, that will be lifted. If you actually are over 16, you can always change that age. And basically that's in another video, how to go through the process of changing and correcting your age on TikTok. But let's say that you are over 16 and that's not the issue. You might be seeing a basically comment or a flag like this video not eligible. This video is not eligible for the For You feed because it violates the community guidelines. One option is at the very top right here, you can see appeal option. So you can always go through the ability to appeal that specific video, but it might be a bigger flag on your entire account. So you might want to check your entire account as well. To do that, let's open up TikTok here. Tap on profile at the very bottom right. And then tap on the three lines at the very top right. Now you'll be able to see at the very bottom is settings and privacy. Let's choose that. And then let's scroll down to the very bottom. We'll check a few different things. Let's tap on support here. And then the second option, safety center. Now you'll be able to see under safety tools, the top option is account status. Let's tap on that and it will show you if you have any community guidelines violations. It says my account is in good standing, but if you did have any violations, it will walk you through why you have those violations here and give you the ability to appeal them directly on here so that you can have a good standing account and you can post videos that will show up in that For You feed. Now let's go back because there are other places to check as well. We're on here going to tap on Privacy Center at the very bottom. And you'll be able to check and read all of the privacy information associated with basically if there are any flags on your account. This is a good resource as well as the Help Center resource just to be able to read through all that and see if there's any issues with your account. It would pop up on there. But let's also go to Report a Problem. And then at the very top right is that little clock icon. I can tap on it and it says your support tickets. So if you have any outstanding support tickets where you've appealed a violation or basically there are any issues with your account, you'll also want to check these support tickets to see the status of them. And then if we go back here, you might also want to just tap on account recovery or security alerts to see if there are any issues as well in there. So after you go through all of these processes and everything, if it still doesn't work, you can always report a problem and say, hey, I don't know why I'm not getting any flags for my videos. I'm over 16 and I don't know why they're not being recommended. You can always go to report a problem and then just find the associated one on here. So you can just type feed. And then you can, for instance, tap on other and then need more help. And then this will give you the ability to chat with the TikTok help desk and get your account fixed so that you'll be able to start using it again. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.